What's up? I am Twisted Art Lady, and my name is Samantha. If you are new here, so I'm very, very, very excited about the art that I have for you today because the theme is fire, and I love fire effects. So basically, what I did was I made some coasters for Everything Spicy, Phil, a good friend of mine. Go check him out. He's a fun guy. Also, I made a tree swipe, a fiery fiery tree swipe. I have words, you guys. This is nothing new. I made a fiery tree swipe for my friend Groovy Lava Squirrel Medic. Go check him out too. He does great stuff. And so the fiery coasters that I made just looks like fire with smoke, and the tree kind of looks like stained glass, in my opinion. It's amazing. So I have people watching me. You guys, let's just go inside and see what I did. And I do hope you enjoy the video. Please do try to watch the whole thing. Hit the like button. Leave me comments down below in the comment. You know where to put the comments, okay? Share with friends. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button to help grow out. Any interaction that you do with my channel helps me to grow. It helps me with the YouTube algorithms. And I guess I don't have much more to say. Let's just go inside. Get this artwork going, you guys. What's up, y'all? So as you can see, I have my coasters ready to go. These are all my colors. This is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black that I'm using as my pillow color. And I'm spreading this out at something like 20 times the speed because who really wants to watch me spread my paint out at normal speed? That's too not fun. So here I'm putting down the gold, the yellow, the orange, and the white is my swipe color. And I hated it. So I just moved on and layered up the same way, gold, yellow, orange, and then white as the top color to blow across the other colors. And I absolutely loved it. And as you can see, I splattered a little bit on this coaster, but it doesn't matter because I was about to do the same thing on this coaster. So there I am doing the same thing. And I really love this technique for fire anyways, because as you can see, it gives this like wispy, smoky kind of effect. This is my go-to usually for fire. I also like a regular kind of swipe for fire too, which you will see here in just a minute on that tree swipe. So I did throw away the coaster that I didn't like because it's not really worth saving and trying to get the paint off of it. It's just not. So here I am putting the spinner and the record up here, which I did tape the record to my spinner because I don't want it flying off, making a big old mess and ruining my art. So here I am. See, it's important to me when I do my tree swipes, you will almost always see me put the color down the same way. That's because I want it to swipe out unevenly and show all the colors. So what I do is I lay down a really wiggly line and then a line through the middle. And like I said, I just do that so that it will swipe out correctly. Now this black is not the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. It is actually the Amsterdam Onyx Black. And I use that as my swipe color for the tree swipe because it makes amazing cells and lacing. As you can see, it's already popping up amazingly. I wish the camera was picking this up appropriately. It is not. You're missing how much all of these cells and lacing that's popping up. It is all the orange and yellow is encased in gold, and it when I got this done, I was just blown away with how much it looks like stained glass. And it really looks like a glowing fire. So I really can't wait to get this done, like resin coated and sent off to Groovy, because I can't wait for him to just have it in his hands and see it for himself, how incredible it is. Groovy is one of my good friends here on YouTube. Love him to pieces. And he does spice challenges with his beautiful little girl, Magma Monkey. And they're working on like a backdrop for their studio area. So I thought I could put a little bit of Twisted Art Lady in the background and make it look like, Groovy and Magma Monkey kind of inspired stuff. And I'm really proud to do this for them, and really just can't wait for them to get it, because this is one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best tree swipes that I've ever done. So as you can see, all I'm doing here is in the black area in the middle, I'm dipping my paint stir down in the white, and which is my background color, and I'm like dragging it through the middle part. I start down at the bottom at the trunk area, at the root area, and then I drag it up to make branches, and I just keep doing that until all the bottom is filled in, and like all the branches look filled in enough to my liking, and that's when I stop. So then after I got all of the branches drawn in to my liking, I went ahead and went back to the gold. So what you guys don't see me doing is between every swipe, every time I drag my stick through the painting with the white on it, I wipe it off every single time. And I have to do that, otherwise my white paint would very quickly get dirty. So here I'm dragging the gold back through to add that pop of gold back to the tree, almost like the fire is lighting it up and making it shimmer. It's very magical looking. I really can't wait to see this one with resin on it. Just really proud of it. I love my tree swipes. I know a lot of my viewers love my tree swipes too. It's maybe one of my specialties, and I'm very proud of how they all turn out. They always turn out awesome. And this one dried really well too. Very excited. Now can you see how much lacing and cells have popped up in this? It is just amazing. Do you see the stained glass kind of effect? You guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. It helps with the YouTube algorithms. And here are those fiery coasters. I love, love, love them. Look at the lacing. It is awesome. And the gold, I cannot tell you how spectacular this specific gold is. It is just so amazing. Can't wait for Phil to hold these in his hands, because it's just, I should say everything spicy. His name is Phil. Go check him out. He's a fun guy. And he does super, super spicy challenges too, which is always entertaining to watch. Look at that, you guys. So here is the tree swipe. Look at that, you guys. Make sure you go and check out my friend Groovy Lava Squirrelmatic. He is a lot of fun. His daughter is adorable. They do a lot of food stuff over there, and just fun in general. Let me know what you think in a comment, you guys. I always appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And here comes the wet photo, of the tree. The dry photo of the tree. And here is the wet photo of the coasters. Amazing. The dry photo of the coasters. And you guys have an amazing week. Bye.